SAP Commerce Cloud is an e-commerce platform created specifically for manufacturers, distributors, and wholesalers, and integrates directly with your SAP ECC ERP. This means you can use the business logic from your SAP ECC ERP, such as pricing, inventory, customer and product data, to build and run your online store. With SAP Commerce Cloud, you can automate your ordering process and enable customers to self-serve. Customers can log into the B2B portal and instantly see customer-specific prices and products allocated to them. Customers can also view their orders and invoices in real time, driven directly from ECC, including online and offline data. Predefined product lists allow customers to easily find their frequently purchased products and add them into the basket quickly. The web store will then validate the customer credit terms in real time using data from ECC and let customers check out with the details from their customer account. This creates a real-time sales order inside ECC, which can be processed following your standard order fulfillment procedures. SAP Commerce Cloud adds new tables into ECC, which allows you to manage your catalog visibility and order configurations directly from inside your ERP. SAP Commerce Cloud's Visual Designer allows you to build a personalized user experience on the front end. Using customer segments and content options, you can drive customer-specific messaging, banners, pricing, and promotions for a personalized online buying experience. All pages in the front end can easily be built, customized, and personalized per customer or customer segment using the SAP Commerce admin. SAP Commerce Insights is the analytics tool that is embedded in your SAP Commerce admin panel. This tool combines data from your front end as well as from ECC to provide insights on your customer and product behavior. The Insights dashboard can be built to measure your web store performance and outline strategies to improve, for example, customer adoption.